Hello and good day. Welcome to my first VBA web automation tutorial, and today I'm going to show you the first thing that you need in starting with web automation using Excel VBA. This is what I call navigating to the website, and there are two different ways to do this, which depends on the type of scenario. And to begin with, make sure that you have a new Excel file open, and let's save it first. So I will name this file ie.navigate, and make sure that you will save it as Excel macro enabled workbook 5, and now hit save. Now let's press Alt F11, or you can also do that by simply going to the developers tab and clicking the Visual Basic icon. Now let's insert a new module, and I will name this module Web Automation. And before we add anything in this module, when working with web automation using VBA, you would need to add two references. So let's go to Tool, then References. And from here, let's look for Microsoft HTML Object Library. Oops. And the other one is Microsoft Internet Controls. Now hit OK. Now let's start the coding. I will create a new sub procedure here, and I will name it ie.navigate. So the first one that we will create is the normal ie.navigate. And let's start this by declaring a variable, which I will name IE, and make sure that it is an object type. Now let's set this IE to create object InternetExplorer.Application, because this will represent our IE browser. And after that, let's set the visibility property of this object into true. So you will see what's happening in the backend after we run this code. And now let's navigate to our target site. So for this demo, I will be using one of the most common sites, which is www.google.com. And the last part is to make sure that the page or site will load completely before sending additional commands. And I will do that by creating two kind of loops. So the first one is do until loop, or do until ie.bc, which is equals to true, but I will no longer insert true here, and do events and loop. And the next loop is do while ie.ready state is equals to 4, do events, and then loop. So if you have a question what does 4 means, is I just think that the 4 value is equals to the complete state of the IE browser. And I think that these are all what we need for this function. Now time to test our code. So you can do that by pressing F5 from your keyboard, or by clicking this icon. Okay, so it's completed. And this is just a basic one, so along the tutorial we will make that function more reliable, especially in handling website loading, because there are times the status of the web page is no longer busy, but there are still parts of the page that are not loaded completely, which I will discuss in the next tutorials. So on the next video, we will focus on the next type of navigate. So see you there.